Yeah, I'm just here filling up the sprayer, getting ready to spray with the M. Now I am in talks about getting an H. It doesn't look like the deal's going to go through on that wide front H that I had in my last, I don't know, 3 videos ago or so. Oh well, walk away from a deal if it's not good. You know the deal, and so do I. So I'm not really worried about that, but I am talking to a guy about a different H, although that one's 58 miles away, no big deal. I'll go pick it up, haul it back, and hopefully get some footage of plowing and spraying with that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this. I did fix this little piece here, and I just put an elbow on it. You can see there. It's just a flange nut, same kind of nut you'd use going into a carburetor off a fuel line. It's actually the same one that you use right here, right there. So yeah, should be good to go in theory. I am getting some water in this. There's always remnants of glyphosate left in there, so I'm sure some of this grass will be killed, but this year the way grass has been growing, I don't care. I really don't. So I'm going to test it out, get the pump all set up. I did break one of these chains off of here last year, but one held it, one of the safety chains, but one held it. Now rig another one up here, and we should be good to go. And I think everything will work as it should. So well, the day has definitely come where I'm going to get to spray this field. Now, it is for the most part dry, except for up in that far corner up there. I know I'm just going to have to avoid that, spray it at a later date. I may even be able to get in there. It's a little piece, it's a half-acre wet piece. Get in there with a backpack sprayer. Yes, I should say no, I'm not against doing some manual labor. I know putting a backpack sprayer on is, you know, manual, but it is still done nowadays. So right there I'll avoid, but the rest of this I think I can hit pretty good. So let's go, let's grow. Through a lot of this stuff I'm going to go fairly slow. My main problem is horse nettle, and that does take quite a bit of juice to get rid of. The field's a lot more wet and a lot more weedy than I even thought. I'm not even sure in parts of this field if I'll have a crop. I may just scrap it and put in winter wheat. I don't know yet. But I do know that this has been the worst year for woodchucks. Horrible, horrible year. The soybeans in the field, they look stunted, but they're not really stunted, they're bitten. You know, and that's, most of it's woodchucks. And I am going slow, I'm really laying it down. You remember I planted this, I don't know, probably 3 weeks ago, and it's not really weedy by appearance, but if you get up close you can start to see the little grasses and different things growing in. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this field, at least this part of the field where there's beans, and go from there. tell you, I've sprayed a lot of years, and this by far is the wettest year I've ever sprayed, especially June 22nd. Man, I don't remember a year this wet. We've had super dry years, but never super wet years. This piece over here is done, you know, but you can see I did rut it up a little bit. Not bad, but more than I care to. I like the ground rock solid, and I'm just coming up through here where I called them mulched and killing some of the up and coming weeds. I'm getting rid of the rest of the juice in the box, and then I'll start over tomorrow. I think I'm going to put ensilage corn in here and then just chop it, you know. Come October, September, whatever, just chop it for ensilage. So anyways, that's a wrap. I appreciate you watching, and hopefully the next spraying video I have, I'm behind the wheel of a Farmall H. Take care, everyone.